Hey, this is the one and only storyteller back out here at the truck. April 27th. We got quite a bit done today. The truck is ready to start. I need to pour the antifreeze in it and drain the tank. But I have an automatic pump, so drain the tank in about 15 minutes or less. So that's not a big deal. So we're ready to go. I'll be going over things today, making sure timing was right, making sure spark plug wires were on correctly, going over everything, making sure it was tight, touching up paint that I've scuffed and put little chips in. So, but yeah, we're ready to go. We're gonna start this puppy tomorrow. If it don't rain a lot, it's supposed to rain first thing in the morning, and if it doesn't rain a lot, we'll fire it up if it don't soak the ground too bad. So, we're here. It's taking a little while. Let me go over what I did today. So here we go. I did repaint the fan motor. I did put on the new hoses. I did repaint the holder for the hoses, and they run over to there. I did put on the distributor vacuum line. I cleaned these up around different places. Touched up a lot of places that I got scratches or got chips in. I did remove the jack to where I could put the lug wrench back down in there, and it's tight and secure now. So yeah, I want to go ahead and put the windshield washer squirters on, but it'll be something that's going to be hard to tape, so I'll probably just wait. I really would like to have them on, but that's how that goes. But yeah, we're good to go. It looks good. I think it looks professional. It's not $100,000 job, but so yeah, this phone keeps cutting off, and I have got to learn how to use that GoPro. This is driving me nuts. So I don't know how to do editing, but when I finally get around to doing the editing, it's going to drive me totally bananas because of the stopping and taking offs. And what I think I was saying was that we're good to go. We're setting on go, as old people would say. And I've been in my mind. I've been over everything. I've tried to think of everything. I've checked firing order, I've checked, everything, wiring harness, I've checked it all. I've made sure things were tight. I made sure everything was secure. So yeah, we're getting there. We're gonna give it a whirl tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. I noticed the last video was I keep getting in the dark and you can't see me, so yeah, sinuses are, gosh man, they're about to kill me. So here's the reason why. If you can see the dust. Alright, this is video number 3. I don't know what the deal is today, but I don't know if you can see the dust or not, but you can write your name in the pollen that's fell out here today. So yeah, it's zero funnage. I'm fixing to pack it up here in a minute and call it a day. I'm done until we can drain the tank, put the antifreeze in, and fire this puppy up. The battery's charged up, all that stuff's ready to go. I did clean down inside of here today. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. I don't know if you can see down in there or not, but I did clean that out. It's all clean, good and clean. So I don't know how I'm going to wind up spraying down in there. That's going to be a pain. But, we'll do what we can. We'll do our best we can. And if nothing else, I'll tape up around each hole. And, I don't know. I'll just tape around each hole and tape it up real good. It may take me 3 or 4 hours to tape it up. But I'll tape up around each hole and I'll just pour the paint in there if I have to get it blue, to get it protected, to get it covered. I don't know how you paint down in there. I have airbrushes. I don't think my airbrushes would get down in there enough to paint it. So that's gonna be a doozy. So, but we're gonna try. I think what I might do at first, or the first thing I might do is spray some black primer down in there, and that will give me some coating in case I miss a spot, or I don't know. I don't know. It's just I don't know. It's been, gosh, years and years since I painted a vehicle with vents, in that area, and it's just, I don't remember. I don't. I thought about taking a brake cleaner nozzle off and sticking on. I got some spray cans I usually touch up with, and I thought about taking the nozzle off a brake cleaner can and putting it on my paint can and just squirting it down in there. Mainly just to get it covered, and mainly to make it blue. So I don't know. Maybe we'll come up with something between now and then. So I'm gonna get off here. Like I said, this is the 3rd time the video had to be restarted, and it's just time to call the dogs, as the old people say, and take it to the house, and call it a night. So appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you staying this long. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Tell other people. Leave a comment. If you leave a comment, I just ask that you leave a positive comment. If you have to leave a negative comment, just please leave a positive comment last. Good day, good luck, anything of that nature. Just don't leave a negative comment last. That's all I ask. And I appreciate you staying, appreciate you coming by. And this one and only storyteller seeing you.